Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my YouTube friends. How are you? Let's learn English vocabulary. So the first is stairs. Stairs. Okay, this is a ladder. Ladder. This is called a ladder. Next is step ladder. This is called step ladder. Next is, okay, you often see these kind of things on the road. This is called traffic cone. Traffic cone. Okay, these are not stairs. These are called steps. These are not stairs. Steps. This is called elevator. 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 Okay, this is travelator because it's smooth. Travelator. This is called travelator. Okay, this is called escalator. This is called escalator. Now this is called lift. Please subscribe to the channel or like the video. Must comment if you want to ask me anything. Lift are also called elevator. This is called rest room. Rest room. Where is the restroom? This is called trolley. A trolley. This is called trolley. The next is cart. Cart. This is called a cart. Cart. This is called lobby. Lobby. This is called a lobby. Okay, move on to next, which is vendor machine. Vendor machine. A vendor machine. Next is ATM. ATM. Automated teller machine. ATM. ATM. Next is, okay, some people call it tri-room, but tri-room is not the appropriate word for these kind of rooms. It's called fitting rooms. Fitting rooms. Okay, this is a food court where you can rest or eat or drink whenever you're tired of shopping. Every mall has it. The last one is a play area where your kids love to play. I hope you liked the video, and please must comment if you want to ask, and like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.